Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Let's take a look at this beautiful Commodore 64 motherboard. While we're looking at it, I want to answer a question that I have got many times. I have made videos with my Amiga 4000 TX build, a brand new build Amiga 4000, and you guys are asking me on that video, on mails, on Messenger, when are you going to build a brand new Commodore 64? I'm gonna answer you all with one video. I live in Denmark. The Commodore 64 in Denmark was very popular computer. Most kids had it, and today they cost peanuts. I mean, they're everywhere, always a lot of them out for sale, and I mean, they cost nothing, really nothing. So, and when I buy these, they come in beautiful. I mean, I just opened this one. They come in beautiful condition. You can see undusty, no cap related issues. These Commodore 64s, I have never recapped them. Had the never had no trouble with the cap. So these Amiga 500s, they just work. The only thing I actually always recommend to do on these old machines are to pull off this RF shield, just remove the board and take this cardboard out and throw it out, and that will result in, cooler running chips. We want these ICs to run as close to room temperature as possible when you're using these 35-40-year-old computers. So that's about it, guys. But rebuilding a brand new one, getting all new parts and use, a lot of time on it. No, I'm absolutely not interested in doing nothing like that. Not when they are in so huge numbers here, so easy to buy, so cheap. Then I'll just buy an originally built from Commodore and just enjoy that, guys. So here is my answer, and next time you write on that Amiga 4000 TX video about Commodore 64 build, I will link to this video. Look at this, guys. I just opened it. It's not even cleaned, and they cost peanuts. Yeah. Have a great day out there, guys. Bye.